Mates, most free CRM tools look helpful at first, but the real question is what they actually give you without forcing you to upgrade right away. Some tools are great for simple contact management, some are better for sales pipelines, others give you more teamwork, automation, or customization. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at 3 of the best free CRM tools in 2026: Bittrex24, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. We'll go through what each one does well, where each one has limits, and which type of user or team might get the most value from it. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. My friends, a CRM is not only for big companies with large sales teams. Even if you are working alone or running a small team, you still need a clear place to manage client relationships and keep track of your work. The problem is that many people start with spreadsheets, notes, email threads, and chat messages. That can work for a while, but it becomes messy very quickly. Folks, a good free CRM helps you bring that information into one place. Instead of managing every relationship manually, you get a clearer system for staying organized and moving work forward. Of course, free plans always have limits. Some features may stay basic, and advanced tools are often saved for paid plans. So the point of this video is to understand which free CRM makes the most sense for your workflow. Mates, let's start with Bittrex24. Bittrex24 is a free CRM that tries to cover more than just contact and deal management. It gives you CRM tools, but also includes tasks, collaboration features, communication tools, and some project-style workflows. That makes it a good option for users who want one workspace for several parts of their process. Instead of keeping sales activity in one tool and teamwork in another, Bittrex24 brings more of that process into the same environment. Guys, the main advantage here is that Bittrex24 feels broader than a simple sales tracker. If your workflow does not stop after creating a deal, it can be useful to have related tasks and team activity in the same place. For example, you can create or manage a deal, track its stage, add notes, and keep the next step visible. That helps reduce the chance of losing context between sales and actual work. Folks, the downside is that Bittrex24 can feel a bit more complex at the beginning. Since there are many tools inside the platform, it may take more time to understand where everything is and which features you actually need. So this platform is a strong free option if you want a wider workspace with CRM, tasks, and collaboration in one place. But if you only need the simplest possible contact manager, it may feel like more than you need. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Mates, next let's talk about HubSpot CRM. HubSpot is one of the easiest free CRM tools to start with. The interface is clean, the setup feels beginner-friendly, and the main CRM features are easy to understand. It works well for managing contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and basic sales activity. So if you want something that feels clear from the beginning, HubSpot is one of the safest options. My friends, the biggest advantage is the user experience. You can manage sales activity without feeling like the system is getting in the way. It is also a good fit if your CRM work is connected to marketing, forms, emails, and lead capture. HubSpot has a strong ecosystem around that, so it can grow with you if those features become important later. The downside is that many of the more advanced tools sit behind paid plans. So the free version is great for getting started, but costs can become a bigger factor if you need more automation, deeper reporting, or larger team features later. That's why HubSpot is a great choice if you want something clean, easy, and reliable for basic CRM work. It is especially good for users who care about simplicity and a smooth interface. Mates, now let's move to Zoho CRM. Zoho is another popular option, especially for users who want more flexibility and customization. It follows a more traditional CRM structure, but gives you enough room to adjust the system around your sales process. The main strength of Zoho is that it belongs to a much larger ecosystem. The platform is part of a wider business ecosystem, It can fit naturally into your existing workflow. It is also a good option for people who like having more control over how their CRM is organized. You can shape workflows, manage sales stages, and build a setup that matches your process more closely. The downside is that this platform can feel less instantly simple than HubSpot. It is not necessarily difficult, but it may take more time to configure and understand properly. Folks, also the free plan is more limited, especially if you compare it with tools that allow larger teams to start without paying. So Zoho is a strong option if you want flexibility, customization, and a larger software ecosystem around your sales process. But if you want the easiest setup possible, HubSpot may feel smoother. So guys, here is the bottom line. All three tools can be useful, but they are useful in different ways. Bittrex24 makes sense if you want a free CRM that also connects with tasks, communication, and team workflow. HubSpot is probably the easiest one to start with if you want a clean interface and a simple sales pipeline. Zoho CRM is a good choice if you want flexibility and you like the idea of connecting your CRM with a bigger ecosystem of tools. But for me, Bittrex24 stands out as the most complete free option here. It gives you more than a basic CRM, because the sales workflow can stay connected with tasks, collaboration, and daily team activity. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.